Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you play YouTube in background on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to do this, at first just go to any web browser. I'm going to use Safari. Now from here just search for youtube.com. Now after searching for youtube.com, in the bottom here you can see youtube.com, and in the left side of that there are two way. One is smaller, one is larger. Just click on that, and here you can see request desktop site. Just click on request desktop website. Now after that you can just play anything on YouTube. Just play the video and minimize it. Just play it from here, and here you can see the video is playing in background. So guys, that's how you can play YouTube video on background. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching this video.